Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to create this Bohemian look. So let's begin with the video. So first I'm going to apply this inside 3-in-1 oil-free primer. Then for foundation I will be using this inside Second Skin foundation. All the shade and products will be mentioned in the description. You can go and check it out there. Till I am blending, you can go and subscribe to my channel. After blending, I will be using this Wet n Wild concealer to hide my dark circles and also as a eyeshadow base. After applying in all the places, I will use the same sponge to blend the concealer. Next, I will be using this Lakme rose powder to set all the products and also to avoid creasing of the concealer. After that, I will contour my face with this contour powder to get some kind of brownish effect on my face. Now I will apply the blush. I am going to use this inside Insta Ready highlighter stick. Next for eyeshadow, I will be using this coco shade and place it in my eyelid and blend it well. Then I will be applying this black shade on my lash line to give some smoky kind of effect and also as a liner. Then using this same coco shade, I will blend both these shades. After that, I will use this kajal on my lower lash line. So with this, my eye makeup is completed. I will be using this Oriflame lipstick. So that's the final look. Hope so you all like this video. Till then, do like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.